Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Miss Geek. Today I will be sharing you how to deal with PCOD and what to eat, what not to eat when you have PCOD. But in the previous video I would have told you that I am not a nutritionist or any dietitian to tell you what to eat. But still I follow certain things, and also I have gone through so many resources in the internet, and I have handpicked like certain list of foods that you can consume. But before getting into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the bell icon below and subscribe to my channel. Okay, first of all, before discussing about the food items that to be consumed for PCOD, I will tell you how to deal with PCOD and what changes that are to be brought in your life so that you can reduce the PCOD symptoms. The first change you should bring in your life is in your lifestyle, because like you people are stuck inside your room and you keep on studying, and also either you keep on studying or either you will be doing some IT jobs, but at the end of the day you should go to hospital and pay lump sum of amount in order to correct your health. So instead of paying lump sum of amount in hospitals, we can make some time to work out or to walk or do anything that involves some physical activities. Like physical activities in the sense, you can either do exercise, or you can go for walking, or you can go for cycling, which you can enjoy. If you go cycling along with your friends, you will not be knowing like how time passes. So you can pick any of the physical activities that you will be enjoying, so that doing this physical activities will help you in reducing the stress. Also, it will help you in reducing your weight. The second thing is medication. Doctors will be giving you pills to correct your cycle, but I will not recommend this if it is for longer period of time, because your body will get used to these pills and your hormones will not know when the next cycle should be. And also, if you stop taking pills, you will not get your periods. Your body should not become dependent. The third thing is weight loss. Losing your 10% of your body weight also will help you in reducing the PCOD symptoms. As I have already said you in the previous video, but still I am reminding you this. The fourth thing is your diet. That is like there are certain things what to be taken when you have PCOD and what shouldn't be taken. You should avoid taking sweets, chocolates, cold drinks, maida items like breads. Avoid eating biscuits, pizza, burger, ice creams, bakery items, and any other processed foods. Also reduce the intake of potato and rice. Avoid tea and coffee. What you should take is a glass of water early in the morning every day, and having green leafy vegetables like spinach and broccoli is very good for your health. Proteins like egg, dal, rajma, chana and fish is also very good. Walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds is very good for your PCOD. Having avocados and spearmint tea will help you in reducing PCOD symptoms. The next thing is you should sleep properly. Minimum of 8 hours of sleep is must for any human, not only if you have PCOD, because sleeping properly will help you in reducing the stress level. It will keep you at peace. Next thing is you should eat properly. Eat properly in the sense the quantity should also be enough, and it should be at regular intervals, like proper intervals. Eating more will make you feel sleepy. Also, it will make you lazy. Eating less will make you stressed. Like right? Yeah, hungry man is an angry man. So eating enough quantity is must. And if you feel hungry in the middle, you can have some light fruits. Like instead of taking processed foods or outside foods, you can prefer fruits. Yeah, next thing is I already said this thing in lifestyle changes, but still I have to stress this thing that minimum of 30 to 45 minutes of exercise is must in order to keep you active, and this also will help you in reducing the stress level. Now I will tell you what I do to reduce my stress level. First thing is I call to my friends and talk to them, or I chat with them. Second thing is every month I buy a small thing and give to myself, so that that makes me more happy. Otherwise I scroll through Mintras and I add the items to cart, and that also, the window shopping also makes me more happy. Third thing is I scroll through Insta videos. Like I watch every dance videos, so that boosts my mood, that makes me more active. Fourth thing what I do is I read books. that I don't do it often, but rarely I do. But still, if I feel like more stressed, no, like in order to bring peace to my mind, I read short stories. Fifth thing is I go for a walk. At least for an hour I go. That makes me active. That keeps me active. Now, guys, I told you enough how to deal with PCOD, what to eat, what not to eat when you have PCOD. It is in your hands to implement this and bring changes in your life. We were not born obese. We were not born with PCOD to think that this cannot be dealt. This can be dealt, but the thing is, we require a little amount of patience, and we should keep working on our health. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you really found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.